I just wanted to make a quick video on a used vehicle we've got at the moment. This is a 2015 65 Renault Trafic Business Plus Edition, complete with Bravo 650 dual operator setup. Let's take a look. This vehicle benefits from full line X flooring. It's got the Bravo 650 dual operator system. It's also got 40/40 reverse osmosis with electronic shut off. Okay, so we've got the van ports on this one. You've got fuel, you've got your waste, you've got pump 1, pump 2. This van also has the stainless steel pole racks, and we've got the Vanguard roof rails on this one with the roller. Also benefits from a tow bar, which is nice. This particular van's a Business Plus edition, so you get the little extras such as cruise control. It's also got the screen with sat-nav, touchscreen, DAB radio. This vehicle's got 57,000 miles on the clock. With the equipment you get a 12-month warranty, full technical support, and the van's still covered by 12-month manufacturer's warranty.